Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss when a platform asks for your PayPal ID, what do you put? Okay, some of the platforms can ask like select a payment platform, it's PayPal, put in your names and enter your PayPal ID. So what is your PayPal ID? Okay, now this is the essence of this video to find out what they mean by your PayPal ID. Now, at first I thought my PayPal ID was my email. Okay, my email I used to sign up on a PayPal. Then I realized it was not the one. Then another time I thought it was my merchant ID, but merchant ID is not your PayPal ID. Okay, I thought maybe it was this is where there's a merchant ID. I think it's somewhere. I think you go to account settings. Let me just cross check something. Okay, this is where they show you business, your PayPal merchant number, okay? I kind of feel like they moved the future somewhere. But anyway, so I kind of thought it was my merchant ID. I always see it somewhere actually, but it was not. Okay, then I realized when they ask you for your PayPal ID, they mean actually the ID that you create when you have your PayPal me link. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do that, and I'm also going to help someone to know what PayPal ID is. Okay, now this is a dummy account that I've created. Okay, so you can kind of flow with it. Okay, it's on the real account. So in this account, when they ask for your PayPal ID, maybe you want to get paid. First of all, you have to make sure you have pay and get paid future in your PayPal. And also your PayPal kind of shows some PayPal balance somewhere because the PayPal ID it means you're going to either be paid. And if you don't see pay and get paid or a PayPal balance in your account, you can actually use the you can't use the PayPal ID. It doesn't make sense, okay? So when these features are active, you go to your business tools so that you can generate your PayPal ID so that you can receive a payment from maybe a game or a platform. Okay, so something like this. This platform is asking for PayPal ID. So let's create it. So you have to click on business tools. Okay, then you have to click on PayPal me link. Get your link and get paid. So in other words, PayPal.me future will help you get a PayPal ID to use on your platform. Okay, when you click there, you can kind of click on get started. After getting started, you say click click PayPal.me profile, click there, add a photo, not now. Then the PayPal ID you can generate from your names. Okay, I think let me create like that. This one seems has been taken, so I'm going to select this. This is a variable. Okay, so the PayPal ID will be Sentongo Sunday. So this is the PayPal ID I put here where they're asking enter your PayPal ID. Okay, so this is going to be my PayPal ID. Then I have to just say next. I agree and create. So after creating the PayPal me link, it means you get a PayPal ID. Now, if you can't find PayPal me link in a business tools of your PayPal account, it means your country may be restricted from creating such a link. Okay, that's what it means. Not every country has this feature for PayPal me link. In case your account actually has issues with that, you may contact us and we may kind of assist you in setting up an account which has PayPal me link. Okay, so after creating this account, you can easily access your PayPal mailing. Let me kind of show you how it looks. Let me go back. I think let me just load it from here. PayPal me. Okay, PayPal me slash. So when you're loading your ID or your PayPal me link, you just have to go to PayPal.me slash the username, the ID. So you realize it will come like this. So generating your PayPal.me link actually is the one which gives you which gives you a PayPal ID. So when you're getting paid, this is the ID at Sentongo Sunday. So this is the PayPal ID that you send to someone, or this is the PayPal ID that you link into a platform to get paid. Okay, so this is what they call a PayPal ID. So PayPal ID is not your names, it's not your email, it's not your merchant ID. It is the username that you will generate when you're creating a PayPal.me link. I think I'm clear, okay? So that is it, guys. So if someone is sending you money, you can just send them your PayPal ID, or you send them your PayPal.me link, okay? So that is it, guys. If you have any question, you can send me, you can leave me a comment. Like my video, share my video, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.